Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2018 Nissan Rogue SV. Coming in this nice silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5 liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, got a lovely tow hitch, we got a backup camera, roof spoiler, we got mud flaps on the rear and front, we got heated door mirrors, turn light indicator mirrors, and moving to the front real quick, we have a block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Nissan grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see we do have tons of storage space. You have hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You do get storage here as well, and you get a little tunnel cover that you can hook up on there. More storage here as well, and you can collapse a row if you need additional storage. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black cloth interior. You do get a carpet interior as well, rear vents, and of course you can fold this down. If I could get it. But there's cup holders and arm space on the other side there, and you do get cup holder and some door space in the back as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Got your trip, traction, sport, eco, gas cap, and hood all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 129,837 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. We got your cruise control, phone, voice, all that jazz. Playback way forward, backwards, volume, and your toggle-free screen, which you can go through. Your tire pressure, Bluetooth settings, fuel economy, trip 1 and 2, average speed, nice little comm screen, and all that fun. And to my right, you got cup holders, we got storage, heated seats, plenty of storage down there with a 12-volt gear select, more storage here, USB aux 12-volt. Got your climate controls up front, storage here, volume, your fave channels, enter, settings, seek, chat, all that jazz. iPod menu, back, AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth, all that jazz. Got your CD as well, media controls, XM, all that fun, and you do get storage in the glove compartment as well. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7891, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.